YouTube, your place to shine. YouTube is amazing. It's a platform where creativity knows no bounds and opportunities are endless. Millions of people watch videos every day. From tutorials to entertainment, there's something for everyone. You can be a part of it. Whether you're a vlogger, a gamer, or an educator, there's a place for you. Share your thoughts, talents, and ideas with the world. Showcase your art, your music, or your unique perspective. YouTube makes it easy for anyone to be a creator. With just a few clicks, you can upload your content and reach a global audience. Are you passionate about something? Whether it's cooking, technology, or storytelling, YouTube is the perfect place to share your passion. Do you love to make people laugh? Share it on YouTube. Your humor can bring joy to millions. You can find your audience and build a community. Engage with your viewers, respond to their comments, and create a loyal fan base. Celebrate your milestones and grow your channel. The possibilities are endless on YouTube. Before you start your YouTube journey, you need a Google account. Think of it as your key to the YouTube world. A Google account lets you access all of Google's services. This includes YouTube, Gmail, and Google Drive. It's your one-stop shop for all things Google. Creating a Google account is easy and free. It opens up a world of possibilities, giving you access to all of Google's services, like Gmail, Google Drive, and YouTube. To get started, go to google.com and click the Sign In button at the top right corner of the page. Then, click on Create Account to begin the process. You'll need to provide some basic information such as your first and last name, birth date, and the email address you want to use. Make sure to choose an email address that is unique and easy to remember. Next, you'll be asked to create a strong password. A good password should be at least 8 characters long and include a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. This helps keep your account secure. After setting up your password, you'll need to review and accept Google's terms and conditions. Make sure to read through them carefully before clicking the Agree button. Once you've agreed to the terms, your account will be created. You'll see a confirmation message, and you'll receive a welcome email in your inbox. Congratulations! You now have your own Google account. Section 4. Building your YouTube channel. This is an exciting step in your journey to becoming a content creator. Now, let's create your YouTube channel. This is where your creativity will come to life and where you'll start building your audience. First, log into your Google account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it. This account will be the backbone of your YouTube presence. Next, go to youtube.com. This is your new home for video content. In the top right corner, you'll see your profile picture or a blank circle. Click on it. This will open up a menu with several options. A drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you access to various settings and features. Click on Create a Channel. This is the first step in establishing your online presence. You can use your name or create a unique channel name. Think about what represents you and your content best. Choose wisely, as this represents your brand on YouTube. Your channel name is how viewers will recognize and remember you. Congratulations, you've just created your YouTube channel. Now, it's time to start uploading content, engaging with your audience, and growing your channel. Welcome to the YouTube community. Welcome to the YouTube. Section 5. Customizing your channel. Now, let's make your channel stand out. Click on Customize Channel. Here you can add a profile picture and a banner image. These visuals make your channel inviting. Don't forget to write a catchy channel description. Tell people what your channel is all about. This helps viewers find you and understand your content. Section 6. Start your YouTube adventure. You've done it. You have a YouTube channel. It's time to share your creativity with the world. Remember to have fun, be yourself, and engage with your viewers. The most important step is to start creating and uploading videos. Be consistent, experiment, and most importantly, enjoy the journey.